In this video I'm going to show you how to view all of the conditions on any given bar from the chart. Now I have open a Google chart, a daily Google chart, and with this chart, as you already know, it is connected to a scenario, and the scenario consists of the chart, the conditions, and any strategy that we may tie to it. So I have the condition box down here. What I'm going to do to begin with is I'm going to click on a bar, and it's going to turn the bar blue, and then it's going to immediately list the conditions that are true with that bar. Now these conditions are categorized so that you can navigate your way through the various conditions that might be true for this bar. Now it analyzes the conditions based on price action, based on relationships of anything on the chart. So I have two moving averages on the chart, and it's going to analyze this particular bar and where these moving averages are and the relationships between the moving averages and between the price action and previous price action and previous moving averages. So all of these things are combined. They obviously have a lot of conditions with them. So the first thing is price action to price action. It's Google is the first one. If I click on Google and simple, then it's going to give me conditions that are related to the price action only. So it's looking at the relationship to itself. These are further divided into subcategories: simple, complex, offset, range, time, and then we have some entry and exit conditions that are in there as well. Okay, so if I want to click on complex, it's going to give me a longer range list of conditions. For example, the low is less than the lowest low of the last 140 bars. So we hit a long-term low here on this particular bar, and it lists exactly what that is. And now if I want to look at the moving averages or relationship, I click on the moving average and value, and then I can click on price action, and it's going to give me the moving average in relation to the price action. If I click on the price action in indicator 2 box, it's going to give me conditions based on relationship to itself. If I click on the 40, it's going to give me conditions with regard to the relationship of the 8 to the 40. So that's how you navigate through the condition box and find all of the various conditions that are available for this. Now we don't have all of them listed for this video, so that is not accurate. There are actually many more for this, but for this video, at the time that this video is being made, they are not all plugged in. So it will not change, though. This is how you navigate to find all of the conditions that are true for any given bar. Now if I want conditions for a different bar, I click on a different bar, and you'll see, for example, the close is less than the previous low. You can see that here, close is less than the previous low. If I click on a different bar, you can see it immediately changes, close is greater than the previous high. So conditions based on each bar.